Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good evening, Yogesh Joshi. Hi, Vatsal. Yeah, after a long time, Vatsal. Yeah. Himanshu Sharma, good evening. Smriti Thayal. Now this schedule is of next 2 months at least, but yeah, yeah, you missed me. Me missed too, right? I also missed you guys. So we'll have a discussion. Yeah, definitely we'll have some classes, but this schedule is of till next 2 months. Who all are here? We have Aman, Amisha, Ashutosh, Shavi, Kaveri, Himanshu Sharma, Ipsa Seth, Mukul Anand, Nikhil, Samriti, Yogesh Joshi. Great. Yeah, guys, let us get started. So will others will join us. Once they are in. So today I'm going to give you 8 sets. Let us see how many we are able to do. So what I will be suggesting you guys is you take exactly 5 minutes for the set, and then I will be taking 5 minutes to solve the set. Right. So this way we'll go ahead with the solving the sets for this. In case you have done this set before, so I would advise to do it again and try to just check if you are getting these answers right. Right. So here comes the first set. 4 questions. Right. So 4 questions are here. Your time starts now. Just try out this session. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Mukul. Your time starts, and try to solve this set. Good evening, Gopal Roy. 1 minute over. You have 4 more minutes to solve the set. Good evening, Ankur Gupta. Please solve this set. You have 3 more minutes and then we will solve this set. I hope the screen is visible to you all. Good evening, Amisha Lakhani. Good evening, Chandra Kamal. Good evening, Ankur Gupta. As soon as you are done with your answers, please type in your answers like this: BDAC. So there are 4 questions. You should be typing like this, right? Good evening, Chandra Kamal. Good evening, Simran. Last 2 minutes. Solve this set and try to get the best answer possible. Last 1 minute, guys. बेटा अगर किसी का आंसर आया, please type in your answers. If you got the answer, please type in your answers. So Vatsal says DCXX. Anyone else? Last 30 seconds to solve this set. Then we'll be solving this set together. Those who have joined late, please solve this set. We are following a format where I will be giving you 5 minutes to solve the set, and then we will be discussing the same set in 5 more minutes. Okay, Yogesh Joshi has answered BAXC. Very good, Yogesh. Very good, Vatsal. अदर्स देखो भाई, आंसर्स ट्राई करोगे तो बात बनेगी. इवन इफ यू आर ट्राइंग इट रॉन्ग, नो डजंट मैटर. गलत भी आ रहा है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है, आने दो आंसर जैसा भी आ रहा है. Those who have joined us late, this is set number 101 on DI, and this is what I am giving you guys is DI based on LR, LR based on DI. It's mixed thing which is coming these days, right? ये वो टाइप के सेट है जो आजकल आ रहा है बहुत ज्यादा. Okay, let us start discussion, right? Shall I go ahead with the discussion? Yes, Ipsa said yes. 1 minute. Himanshu wants 1 minute more. For this question, Himanshu, I am giving 1 minute more. For the next question, we will be giving exactly 5 minutes. Right, guys? Okay, I am starting with the question is not completely visible. This is the question only. Aditya Majan, I don't think. Please go ahead. Yeah, Himanshu. Now let us see, guys. Let us go ahead. Those who have joined late, let's see this. What exactly this question says. ये क्वेश्चन भाई हमें कह रहा है कि दो वायरस है, एक निम्डा है और एक लबबर्ग है, और ये दोनों वायरस का अलग अलग इफेक्ट करने का रेट है. कैसे? It has explained that this affects 20 computers a day, this affects 15 next day, and the next day it affects 15, 15. No, every computer infected on day one will be affecting 15 more. So it will be whatever number of computers affected on one day, it will be multiplied and then it will go on. So this set is more about multiplication, right? ये multiplication के बारे में है, add नहीं है. और ये क्या हो रहा है कि after 2 days your virus is getting repaired. So what does it mean if virus is getting repaired? So it means after third day your first virus will go out, and it has given example also so that we can understand this, right? uh, I hope the question is clear to everyone. Anybody having any doubt in what exactly the question is? बोलो बेटा, कोई क्वेश्चन में डाउट है कि क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? या क्वेश्चन क्लियर है ना? एक्सप्लेन अगेन. शिवानी चंडाक सेज आई नीड टू एक्सप्लेन. शिवानी देखो बेटा, ये है कि सॉरी, एक वायरस है, पहले दिन वो एक कंप्यूटर को इन्फेक्ट करता है, जो कि ये दिया है. हम निम्डा वाले कंप्यूटर की बात करते हैं, ठीक है, निम्डा वायरस की. तो दूसरे दिन निम्डा का क्या है? दूसरे दिन निम्डा 5 कंप्यूटर को इन्फेक्ट करता है. तो एक वायरस को इन्फेक्ट, एक कंप्यूटर को इन्फेक्ट किया, इसने 5 को किया, और एक पुराने वाला भी था. टोटल 6 कंप्यूटर इन्फेक्टेड हो गए. किस दिन? ये डे 1 को. ठीक है भाई. नेक्स्ट डे क्या है कि ये 20 को इन्फेक्ट करता है, यहां देखिए आप. ठीक है, तो 120 हो गए ये इन्फेक्ट, प्लस ये 6 वाले थे आपके जो इन्फेक्टेड थे, राइट. बट जो ये वाला कंप्यूटर है तो 126 इन्फेक्टेड हो गए, राइट. अब नेक्स्ट डे क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट डे क्या होगा कि ये जो वाला जो एक कंप्यूटर है ये रिपेयर हो जाएगा, ये ठीक हो जाएगा जो एक खराब हुआ था इस दिन. तो यहाँ पे 125 इन्फेक्टेड ही आएंगे, राइट. ये 125 फिर इंटू 30, 30 और इन्फेक्ट कर रहे हैं, 30 और इन्फेक्ट हो गए. कितने हो गए बेटा जी? 3750. 3750 कंप्यूटर इन्फेक्ट हो गए हमारे, राइट. प्लस 125 जो पहले से इन्फेक्टेड थे, राइट. कितने हो गए यहाँ पे? 3875. 3875 कंप्यूटर्स इन्फेक्टेड है, बट इसमें से ये 5 इस दिन रिपेयर हो जाएंगे, तो हमारे 3870 इन्फेक्टेड आए नेक्स्ट डे इंटू 40. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके ये चलते रहेंगे जी. ओके, लेट अस सी. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? Yeah, Himanshu, very good. It is basically a multiplicative thing. Is it clear to you, everyone? Yes, Aditya, Vatsal. Yeah. Now what we will see is we are given this multiplication of Nimda. Then we will calculate the multiplication of Bloomberg also. But this question is not about getting the values and then giving the answer. No, my dear friends, it is about multiplication. See, if your number is getting multiplied, like if you have seen movie, right, where the Salman Khan says, if one person will help 3 and this person will help 3 more and this will help 3 more. So this is multi-level marketing kind of thing. So the number of it gets multiplied 3 into 3 into 3 like this. So here also it is getting multiplied. So what we see is the numbers are getting multiplied at a different rate, right? So we will be asked, okay, which day we can have maximum, which day we can have maximum, on which day one will cross another. So for the first question, we say on which day does NIMDA affect maximum number of computers? Without looking at the question or the option, we say maximum number of computers will be affected on the last day. Why so? Because if we are multiplying the number, it will be last day. But if we are adding and then subtracting, for example, 15 new computers get affected on this day and earlier 20 computers get repaired, so it means the number may decrease. But here it is getting multiplied and the number which is being removed is very small. So beta ji, what we can see is your computers which get multiplied, they will be highest on the last day. So very easily the answer is 5 in this question. Is it clear? It will be day 5. Am I clear to everyone? Yeah, Himanshu, very good. Screen is lagging, Priyank says. Okay, okay, Vatsal. Can we move to the second question? No, day 4, the value is same. The value is same, but it is getting multiplied on day 4. Then it is again getting multiplied on day 5. So obviously the last day we will have the maximum number of people, right? Because every day it is getting multiplied. So yes, so I'm moving to the second question now, right? It says NIMDA exceeded those affected by Lerberg. So NIMDA, the growth is 5 and then 20 and then multiplied by 30 and then multiplied by 40. So if we calculate like this, we will be able to find when NIMDA increased. But if we really see, my Lerberg is 20 times on very first day. So very first day, what will be Lerberg? Lover will be lover will be 1 and then it will become 21, right? And then multiplied by 15 it will become 315, right? Plus 20, 1 got repaired, so it will become 335. Right? Are you getting? Next day again 15, so 335 into 15, it will be your, I suppose it will be, I think 5025 plus 315 we add here, and you will get something around 5340. So into again you multiply it by 15 to get some value, which will be around 1575,000, right? So So here we will see this is on the first day, day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 3 here it is still more, and day 4 it will cross, right? Day 4 here the value will be somewhere around 31 lakh 20,000 something. I'm not calculating exact. Let us just try. If you want to do, I can do that. Multiplied by 40,008 and then 24, 32 and plus 2 4, 34 3 12 1. So this is the value on day 4. So here it is a new computer is factored on day 4, so it is 75. It is 150. So definitely day 4 it is crossing. The answer will be day 4. But to calculate this we need not go by this detailed method. We can go by the shortcut also. See, here my value is increasing by 20% in day year 1, Here it is increasing by 20% in year 2. So these got cancelled out, right? So here it was increasing by 5 and then by 30. Here it was increasing by 15 and 15. So if something is becoming 5 times, then becoming 30 times, by and large it will become 150 times. So something becoming 15 times and then again becoming 15 times, it will be around 225 times, isn't it? So this value is much higher, but when it is becoming again 50 times and this value becoming again 40 times, so this will become around 6,000 and this will remain around 3,000. So on the fourth day it will bypass this. So we can calculate it without multiplying it. Let us first assume that the number of people who are getting removed, they are not counted. So that way it will be the day when it will be done. Is it clear? Yes, वो कम होगा. Day 3 it will go down, but we are not assuming that because it is a multiplication sum. If it is becoming 20,000, let us say this is becoming in 1,000. If it is getting reduced by 1 or 2 or maybe 100, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. Okay, total number of computers affected by NIMDA at the end of day 5. It is total number of computers affected by NIMDA, right? So what I have seen, this was the number of computers affected by NIMDA on day 4. To this I will add 3 3870 will be added to this. So whatever will be the number, so this is 1 6 no, it will be 158670 and then you multiply it by 40, right? And then you will get some value. So most of you will be answering this. No, this is not the answer. This is the number of computers getting affected on day 4, on day 5, right? This is not the total number of computers getting affected. So the answer will be here, none of these. You can calculate it. This cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. This will answer will only be close to 63 lakhs, right? So this will be the only answer. I'll come back to this question. Let me finish this question first. Total number affected by Löfberg, here we have calculated. This is 5025 is the new computers affected by Löfberg. So that is the answer. Got it? Anybody having any doubt? I will do third question again with the shortcut method. Yeah, it could be 78K something, right? Clear. Now let me discuss the third question again. Third question again. My value here is increasing by, you see my value is increasing by, because we are asked about the NIMDA. So in NIMDA we see, here is the value. My value is becoming 5 times and one more from the previous one. So actually it is getting multiplied by 6. Then it is multiplied by 21. Then it is multiplied by 31. Then by 41 and then again by 41. So this is my total value becoming after getting affected, because one is already affected, so one is already affected, 5 new are infected, so 6 total is affected. So I'm increasing all the numbers by 1. Did you get this thing? So this is total number of affected minus which got repaired, minus 6 into 21 into 31. So these are the computers which got repaired. So this is very small value as compared to this value. So this value will be my answer, which is approximately number of computers affected, and this will be something around very higher than this value. So answer will be none of these. Did you get it, guys? Okay. Clear, Simran, Himanshu, everyone else? Okay, now guys, start with your stopwatch. I'm giving you one more question and I hope you to solve it. And this is a very relevant question because these days we are watching a lot of cricket. So this question is uh, related to cricket. Here comes your question. You have 5 minutes. Rock on. You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes है आपके पास. Your time starts now. And as soon as you get the answer, type it on your screen. फास्ट करना है पूरा, जितना भी बेस्ट लगा सकते हैं लगाइए इस क्वेश्चन में. I hope screen is clearly visible to you all. Himanshu, Simran, everyone should reply. Not only two or three people should reply, everyone should reply here. Amisha Lakhani is very quick with the answers. Either Amisha, you have solved it before. There are 5 questions now, Amisha. Goals for means the goals done by the team and goals against the goals conceded by the team. Any other doubt, Arvind? Ankit Gupta means fifth C. Yogesh Yoshi. Last 1 minute, guys. Answer it quickly. Last 1 minute. Avinash Madivada. 6B. Only Yogesh Yoshi is able to crack all the questions. I don't know whether that is right or wrong. Gopal Roy says C is equal to 8th is equal to C. Anybody else? Okay, let us discuss. Anyone who was very sure about his answers? Yogesh, are you sure about your answers? But I don't think your all answers are right, even after the change also. Yeah, okay. Let's see, guys. Now let us see how to approach this type of question. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को अप्रोच कैसे करें ये भी दिस इज ऑल्सो ए गुड क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ देयर आर हाउ मेनी टीम्स 5 teams. So 5 into 6 upon 2, there can be total 15 matches, right? 5 into 4, sorry. There can be maximum 10 matches, right? Because every team playing with every other team, so there will be 10 matches. Like in World Cup now, there are 10 teams, so every team will play with every other team. So 10 into 9 upon 2, there will be 45 league matches, right? So here we will have 10 league matches, but all teams have not played all the matches. So this is something in between, right? After some of their matches. Is it clear to you all? Right? So we have to see which team played with which team. Now, from where we can get all this information. Now we see Korea has played only one match. So it might have played with some of the team, but we don't know. And Canada has played 3 matches. Canada can play 4 matches. So there is one team against whom Canada has definitely not played. Number of matches फंडा हाँ दोबारा बताते हैं बेटा. Like there are 7 teams. So every team will play against every other team. So 7 into 6 divided by 2. Divided by 2 because India plays Pakistan or Pakistan plays India. That is one and the same thing. That's why we divide it by 2. So the number of matches will be 21. Or you can do it as NC2 also. Good. Good, Imanshu. Now, if we see this, so Canada must have played among all the teams except one. India has played only match. Korea has played only one match. See, Germany has won one and it has drawn one. So definitely Germany and Germany must have played at least 2 matches, maybe more than that. But and the total number of matches has to be in even, right? Because it cannot be in odd. So Canada has drawn one match. Germany ने भी draw किया है. So Canada will be with Germany. Definitely Canada played with Germany. Is it clear to you all? Now, and this was a draw match. This was a draw match as we see this draw. So from here we know that 8th is C, right? This cannot be the answer. This cannot be. This cannot be. This cannot be. So, right? Because it can be 2-2, right? It can be 3-3, but we don't know. But it was a draw match. If it was a draw match, then scores has to be leveled, right? So this we got without solving it. 8th question we got it. The goals made by that and the goals against Shivani Chandak, right? Now you see Pakistan, India has played only one match and they conceded 4 goals and they made 3 goals. So if they have made 3 goals, they cannot play against Canada or Korea or Germany. Why? Because if they have done 3 goals, other team must have conceded 3 goals at least. So it cannot be this. So India definitely played with Pakistan. Yes, yes, Himanshu. It can be 2-2. Right now we cannot say, but yeah, it is not given in option. So this is the best option here available. But if this would have been 2-2 also option, so we would have restricted our approach. So India played with Pakistan, and the score of India Pakistan was, from here it was India did 3 goals and Pakistan did 4 goals. Is it clear to you all? Yes, no? Okay, now it means Canada played against all other teams except India. So Canada played against Germany, we already calculated, right? Canada played against Korea. Canada played against Pakistan. So when we say Canada played against Korea, what does it mean? Korea has played only one match. It has done 2 goals and conceded one. So Canada Korea score is 1:2. राइट कनाडा ने 1 गोल किया कोरिया ने 2 किए फ्रॉम हियर वी टुक दिस राइट एंड with India Pakistan it was 3-4, right? Now if we subtract 2 goals from here, we are left with 0 goal, and if we subtract 1 here, we are left with 3 goals. So definitely because they have 0 goal against them, so the match of Canada Germany should be 0-0, and then we are left with 3-0. So Canada Pakistan, it should be Canada 3 Pakistan 0. Right, the only left match left is which was won by Germany. So Germany and Pakistan, as Germany was 0-0 against Canada, Germany didn't play against Korea, Germany didn't play against India. So Germany Pakistan score would have been 3-2. So if we see the total score of Pakistan, so Pakistan made 4 goals, 0 here, 2 here. So Pakistan made 6 goals, which is right. And Pakistan conceded 3-3-3-9, which is also right. So I think we have solved the complete set. Because Canada played against every other team except India, because India only played against Pakistan. Okay, okay, Gavishi, right? So from here, how many games did Pakistan play? 1, 2, 3. How many games against which team Canada hasn't played yet? India. How many matches Canada wins so far? Canada won this one, and Canada lost this one. So Canada won only one match. Right? Score of this. What was of India Germany? Match did not take place. Match हुआ ही नहीं है. Match हुआ ही नहीं. Are you clear? Anybody got all 5 right? Yogesh got 1 wrong. Amisha, what exactly you want me to repeat? Okay, Yogesh. Simran, clear. Very good. Very good, guys. So can we move ahead now? Shall we move ahead? Any doubt from this set? Ankur, clear. Gopal Roy, Vidhi. Gavishi Mangal, no. What is the doubt, Gavishi? Okay, there is no doubt. IP34, yes. What is doubt here? Amisha Lakhani. Ipsha set says clear. Okay, guys, are you ready? Shall we move ahead? If any coordinator is attending the class, right, please check. Please call me up on my number, right, if any coordinator is attending the class. Right, if any of the coordinator from Mindworks is attending the class, please call me up. Shall we go ahead? Okay, I am giving you the next set, guys. Be ready. Again 5 minutes and you should be able to do one more set. India Pakistan 3 how? Amisha, see, if we say that India had played against only Pakistan and India's score was 3-4, so that will be the only score, right? It is already given that India scored 3, Pakistan scored 4. So that is the only match that is held for India. So that would be the score. Okay, guys, go ahead. Go ahead and kill this set. Anyone with answers? Very good, very good. Good to see so many people answering. Last 1 minute. Okay, guys, let us see. Let us see how to approach this question. This question says there are 40 questions, 6 marks plus 6 for right, minus 3 for wrong, and student got 177 marks. So 177 we should have at least one wrong. If one is wrong, then it will be minus 3. So with that the score becomes 180, and for that you have to have 30 right and one wrong. So you will have 30 right and one wrong. 9 questions are spare, and there is a pair of 3 questions, 6 for right, minus 3, which will give you 0 marks. So number of questions solved incorrectly by the student. So student can solve from here, because there are 9 questions left, so we can have 3 pairs and 6 questions can be maximum wrong. One already has to be wrong. So maximum 7 questions can be attempted incorrect by the student. Number of questions left unattempted, 9, all 9 can be left unattempted, so it has to be 9. Second highest possible marks, it is not 237. Mind you guys, 237 score is not possible, because if 39 right are there, then your score will be 234 with one left unattempted, right? If one again is attempted wrong, the score will be 231. So here the score possible lowest is 234, not 237. Possible number of positive integral values of n represent the total marks. So total marks can be 3. How it can be 3? You do one right, one wrong. Up to this you can have 234 and then 240. So you have how many answers? You have 80 values as possible answers, right? But you don't have 237 as a possible answer. So you have 79 possible values which can be the answers, right? First and the last. See guys, first what I did is, let me erase all the drawing here. Now you see I have 177 marks. For this I need to have one question wrong. So plus 3, I need to get 180 positive marks and one negative mark to make 177. So this will, I will get it from 30 right questions minus one wrong question. So 31 questions are wrong and 9 questions are left. Either I can leave them unattempted, or I can attempt these questions to generate score equal to 0, like plus 6 minus 3 minus 3. So this is one right and two wrong will give me score 0, right guys? So if we see that way, so our total, there will be 3 questions which will give me score 0. So from 9 I will have 6 right questions, sorry, 6 wrong questions and 3 right questions. This will also give me 0. So my first question is number of questions solved incorrectly. 1 wrong here, 6 wrong here, 7 wrong. Is it clear to everyone? Fourth question, fourth. See, possible value is n is 3. Find the n represent total marks obtained by a student. So student can obtain 3 marks positive. It can represent 6. It is 9. Any marks can be obtained by student up till 240. No, sorry, up till 120. No, 240, sorry, 240. Yeah, 240. But 237 is not possible. So all multiples of 3 up till 240, which is 80 minus 1, is equal to 79. 79 possible values are there for positive score of a student. Very good, Himanshu, you got all three right. So we are moving to the next set. Any doubt from this set, guys? No, 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 no. Very good. Excellent. So I'm moving to the next set. So here comes the set. If you are not able to get any question, please feel free to ask the question. Right? Don't shy. I will not mind answering your question once again. Right? And your time starts now. Aditya, please take the snapshot of this, right? So that you can save the questions. Hmm? Okay, 5 minutes now. Go ahead. It is tough, Himanshu, Pulkit, no voice. Yeah, just 2 minutes more to finish this set. Then we'll discuss this. Anybody with the answer? Okay, let us try this out. So there are few people who exchange their mobile phones, huh? So they were having Samsung, Motorola, and Ericsson and Nokia before exchange. After exchange also, Samsung, Motorola, Ericsson and Nokia. After exchange also they have so if we see it, what are the so Samsung, Motorola, Exchange, Ericsson and Nokia. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0. I hope you know why I have put in 0 here. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, great. So we see the number of people before Nokia and now have Samsung. पहले Nokia अभी Samsung. This is 24. We know this was 27, right? So this is 24 total. This is 32 total, 17 total, 27 total. So this becomes 0. This also becomes 0. Is it clear to you all? No, because people cannot have the same phone. No student has the mobile phone of the same company as they had before the exchange. So that's why I put in 000 here. So first point I've taken and I put in 24 here, and the rest all are zeros because total is 24. Ankur Gupta says got it. Now here comes interesting. Who has Ericsson before exchange? Before exchange Ericsson, and then now have Nokia and have Motorola is same. So Ericsson, Nokia and Motorola is same. So this one and this one is same, right? So I will put it in red. This one and this one should be same. Is it clear to you guys? बात बनी भाई? Yeah, because there is an exchange, right? So who got what? It has to be a matrix, right? It has to be a matrix. Okay, now, so this should be equal. We'll keep it like this. So third point is who had Samsung now have Nokia and Motorola. Samsung, Nokia and Motorola is again same because it is 1:1. So this plus this is same. Who have now Motorola and who have Nokia. This is same. So we don't know these values, other values. So but we know this is 27 here and this is 0. So this will be 3 and this value will be, if this is x, this is also x, this is 2x, this is 32. So this ES has to be an even number. This let me shade it with green. This shaded region has to be an even number. Is it clear to you guys? Why shaded should be even? Why shaded should be even? Are you clear? Prakshit? Because we have here same this value which is marked in red. I cannot delete selectively, so I cannot write it here. Let me show you this. So this value and this value, this has to be, how much this has to be? This has to be same. If both are x and x, so I have 2x. So the remaining value, this is to be even. Is it clear? Okay, now this can be, I have two choices. Either it can be 2 or it can be 0. So same way this can be 3 or this can be 1 because total is 27. Okay, very good. Now we see if this value is 2 or 0, so this will be rest of this. So this will be either 15, this value 16, or it will be 15. If it is 2, it is 32. So this will be 15, this will be 16. Got it? Here total is 17, here total is 32, here total is 24. So out of here, if I see this is 16, this is 15, either this is 1 or this is 2. If this is 1, this will also be 2 because these two are same. So here, if this is 1 and 1 2, this will be 25, otherwise it will be 23, right? So here 32 is the case, so we'll see this value will be either 9 or it will be 7. In either case, 3 and 7 10, this value is will be 7, and this will definitely be the question, right? Are you clear with this? या मैं रिपीट करूं इसको? बताओ भाई, क्लियर है या रिपीट है? क्लियर हो गया, वेरी गुड. नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. सी दिस क्वेश्चन इज type of problem solving. Harsh more says to repeat. Harsh, okay, let me try it again for you. I'm using a new page. Yeah, is it clear, guys? So I will write Samsung over here, Motorola over here, Ericsson over here, Nokia over here. So Samsung, Ericsson, Nokia, Samsung, sorry, Motorola, Ericsson, and Nokia. So here it comes. It comes 0 0 0 0. Is it clear, guys? It is 24, it is 17, it is 32, it is, I think it is 27 here. Yeah, 24. And then I'm showing you the question. Please take the screenshot so that you can refer it, right? 27, 17, 32, 24. Screenshot ले लिया बेटा? Yeah. So we are coming to this part. So this is 24. Here I will also write 27. It is 17. It is 32. It is 24. So the first statement given to us is here. It says this is 24. Second statement says these two values are same. These two values, which I will just try to mark it with the pen, right? With the pen of yellow color, I will mark it up, right? मैं yellow color के pen से mark करता हूँ. So this should be same. This is my second statement, right? My second statement says this value and this value should be same. And third statement says this value and this value should be same. So we take that if these two values are same, this will be an even number, right? For all other values, we will try to have the different possibilities, right? Based on that possibilities, we may calculate some answers, right, guys? Okay, let us try it out. Let us try it out. Now you see, this can be 2 and this can be 0, right? Because this has to be 32 total. So that value can be that way. Is it clear? So if this is 2, this value is going to be 1. This value is going to be 3. These are the two options. Only here it will give you 27. right? Now, if it is 2 and 1, here it will be 16 and 16 to make it 32. If it is 2, it will be 15 and 15 to make it 32. So as we know, this value is 24. So these two values are 0 because it is 24. And here it will be either 1 or it will be 2. As this and this value is same, this will also be 1 or 2. If this is 1 and 1, this will be 25 or this will be 23. So here we say this is 32. So this value will be either 7 or it will be 9. So now 7 and 3 is 10, 9 and 1 is 10. So this value has to be 7. Okay. Please take screenshot of this also so that we can refer to the questions. Let me know when you are done with the screenshot. Done? Okay guys, let's look at the questions now. Shall we look at the questions? इसको अभी इरेज कर देते हैं सारा. ठीक है. So number before Motorola and now have a Nokia. I think it is 7. It is 7. It is 7. Number before Exchange had Ericsson. Now have a Nokia at least 15. Maximum it can be 16. Motorola and have a Samsung at most. I think it is 3. 9 it would have been. I think. So you can answer this based on the graph. I have erased that so I don't remember it, but you can very easily answer it. So let us go ahead with the last set very quickly. Right guys? Shall we move to the last set for today? Very good, Simran. Let me go ahead to this and erase all the drawing and go ahead with pointer. Oh my god. This is slightly tricky one. So I am skipping this set. We will do it in the next class. All 4 sets are really challenging. So let me not start with this set. Let me give you one more question based on World Cup. Right? Ready? Okay. So the question is, there are 10 teams. There are 10 teams playing ICC UCC World Cup 2091, right? Let us see. Okay, question number 1. Okay, there are some rules. 2 points for winning and 0 point for losing the game. ठीक है. Each team plays play with every other team. Every other team. Yes, no, every other team. Right? Top 4 teams shall qualify for next round. No tie can happen. So every match will have a result, right? In case of same number of wins, the run rate will be considered for qualifying to next round. Is it clear? So are the statements clear to you? So it is very much like the World Cup we are going through, right? Is it clear, guys? Okay, now the question is, first question, what can be minimum number of matches with which, what can be minimum number of wins with which one can one can qualify for next stage. Second can be, what can be maximum number of wins with which one may not qualify for the next stage. ठीक है भाई, कम से कम कितने मैच जीत के भी वो फाइनल स्टेज में पहुंच सकता है, और मैक्सिमम कितने मैच हैं इवन आफ्टर विनिंग दैट यू आर नॉट श्योर वेदर यू विल बी मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट मैच. और ये पॉइंट्स आपको क्लियर होने चाहिए जो मैंने बताया. Right? So there are 4 this thing and there are 2 questions. You have 5 minutes. Let us see who solve this. अरविंद, अगर ये इतना आसान होता तो हम नहीं पूछते बच्चा. It's not that easy, Arvind, that you can answer it in matter of seconds. Right? And there can be 12 teams in the match, there can be 8 teams. So we will devise a methodology to find the universal answer. It's a very good question. 5 minutes to you guys. I hope the question is very simple that कि minimum कितने मैच जीतने से राइट बंदा क्वालिफाई कर सकता है और दूसरा मैक्सिमम कितने मैच जीतने के बावजूद भी he may not qualify. So you see there are 10 teams and right 2 points for winning. So this is useless point. So whether it is 2 points or 5 points, when there is no tie, so it doesn't matter. Each team play with every other team. So there will be 45 matches in total. Top 4 teams shall qualify for the next round. No tie can happen, right? It means no match can end in a tie. No match can end in a tie. Okay. In case of same number of wins, right? It means there are, let us say there are 2 teams which have same number of wins. So the run rate will be considered for qualifying to the next round. So the selection will be based on the run rate then. I want anyone to explain. Kaveri Bajpai has some answer with her. So last 1 minute before I give chance to Kaveri to answer these questions. Kaveri, you may explain how you got the answer. So here you see guys, it is easy because first if you know there are 45 matches, right? There will be 45 matches. Are you clear why there will be 45 matches? Are you clear why there will be 45 matches? Yes. So yes, Kaveri, very good. So we see if we want to minimum number of matches with which one can win. So we'll say the people who are got selected like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 teams are there. First team can win maximum 9 matches. Second can win maximum 8 matches. This can win maximum 7 matches. Because if first has won all the matches, so second team cannot win all the matches. And third team has to lose from 2 teams. So 9 plus 8 plus 1, 24 matches are over. So minus 2, there are 21 matches pending and there are 7 teams. So each team will win 3 matches, right? So this one, the last team can qualify with a run rate with just 3 matches. And if we see about this team, here team will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let us say one team's like Afghanistan wins no match. There is one match, 2, 3, 4. So there are 5 teams who have won these number of matches. So this will be 10 matches they have won. So 35 matches are pending. So each of the 5 teams will win 7 of the matches, right? And this will still not qualify after winning 7 matches because its run rate was not as good as of these 7. So 7, 3 and 7 is the answer. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this. Any doubt you can see the video again. I will try to upload the video as soon as possible. Any question, any doubt before we wind it up? No, there are 2 3 things guys for my class. I would like you to join class maybe 2 3 minutes before the class, and we will leave exactly at 9:30. So in between I don't want anyone to leave the class. If you are not don't want to attend, please don't attend, but you should not be leaving it one between, because 3 4 students I found they have left the class in between. So make sure anybody who is coordinator from Mindworks, make sure that you are present in the class throughout the class, right? So this was the class 1, and I am sending you 3 sets which I will be discussing in the next class, right? I'm sending you the 4 sets which I will be discussing in the next class. The right, so I will send it to the PDF to the team, and then you can discuss it in the next class. We shall be discussing it in the next class. But make sure all of you have tried those sets, because if you have not tried that sets, so then there not be possible. So let me check it with the team, right? Yeah, I'm not in the Telegram group. Maybe you can ask the admin to add me to the group, right? My contact is 9023333030. Right? This is my contact. You can ask them to add me to the group. Anyhow, so I will be sending you the 4 more sets, but the only condition is that you should have done it in the class. If somebody is there who has not done the set, then the class will not be of any use to that person, right? So I will talk to Kavita or whosoever is coordinating, and then we'll get to. Okay, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Shabba khair. Good night.